Hi, it's January 1st, 2012. Happy New Year. Now, this is the year that for the last quarter of last year, pretty much every investors group has been coming out talking about how 2012 is supposed to be the year that all the markets rebound and the global economy is fixed. Somehow they expect, out of a $1.5 quadrillion black hole of toxic derivative debt backed by toxic mortgage debt backed by thin air, somehow they're going to be able to find a way that all of that will become actually valuable again. And the world economy is not going to be destroyed anymore. They put a lot of faith into the European leaders and way too much faith into the Federal Reserve System, which is completely corrupt and has been lying to the American public for decades. On top of all of this, I've been watching the markets. You know, the only good news out there right now is that Boeing just got a $3.5 billion contract with the U.S. government to build warplanes, and apparently Verizon Communications just decided not to implement their $2 surcharge fee for all these little one-time payments, which would gain them a lot more money in revenue, but it would insert the corporation firmly into the anus of all of their customers. They took fire from some regulators, and they had a PR black eye from it all, so they decided not to go down with that. And for that reason, the investors are saying that their stock should go up on Tuesday. On top of that, warplanes. Isn't it sad that how, when all of the bad news seems to take over the airwaves, we look at things like warplanes and see good news? If that is not a good indicator of where we are in this world today, well, I'm not sure what to say. Other than Happy New Year, and it's going to be a wild one.